What is up, guys? My name is Wommack. Welcome back to another video, and we are still doing the advent calendar special. I will edit one of your pictures today in this video once again, and today we want to take a look at the picture that you, Claudio, sent me. I really love the picture, the one where you're sitting on the wall right here, and I really like the already kind of vintage vibe that this picture gives us. It already looks as if it was taken on a rather film or even disposable camera kind of. And that's why I thought we really want to stress this effect. We really want to create that even more vintage, even more film look to that picture. And I took this Shawn Mendes picture right here as a little reference, as a little inspiration for where we're going in terms of the look. Of course, there's more hard sunlight in your picture, but I think we can really get it to look even more vintage, add some grain, all these kind of things. So this was the image that you sent me. And now this right here is what we want to create today. I love the look, so thank you once again for sending me your picture. Now everyone else, if you want me to edit one of your pictures, I'm doing this Christmas calendar thing where I will edit one of your pictures every day until the 24th of December, until Christmas Eve. So just feel free to DM me your pictures on Instagram, @StephenWommack is my handle. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications bell right now so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos, because I could be editing one of your pictures in my next video. And of course, if you're interested in this look that we're doing today, I've also created a preset on exactly that look. It's on my website, the link is under this video, and it's in that all presets pack, along with over 100 presets that you can just easily paste to every one of your pictures to make them look great. And the cool thing about the all presets pack is that if you buy it, you will get new presets every week. So you just have to pay it once and you'll get new presets. Now at the moment, there's new presets every day even, so it's a great deal. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. And I've set it up now. Let's jump right into this edit. I will show you how to recreate this look using your smartphone and the free Lightroom app only. So the first thing we do, of course, is open our picture, in this case yours, Claudio. Now we hit the lights tab down here and go to curve on the upper right side, and as you can see, I've just created that really smooth S curve right here, so I want you to copy it as it is right here. Pull up the shadows on the bottom left a little bit, and then just create that smooth S curve towards the upper right side, and then we are done here. Now the exposure, we want to boost that up a little bit, make it a little brighter to around plus 0.47 right here, and then we want to pull down the highlights to -77 right there, and boost up the shadows a little bit to plus 20, and also boost up the whites right here to plus 15 to just give it that, or 14, to just give it that overall brighter look. Then we go over to color right here, and we just want to boost up the temperature to +5, really subtle, and the tint, we want to pull that down to -11 to that green area. And then we want to scroll up, hit grading right here, and now for the shadows, we want to pull them to that kind of green area to a hue of around 190, and a saturation of 25 is good, so it's 192, 27, perfect. Now the midtones, we want to pull to that orange kind of green area to a hue of around 79 or 80 right there. And the saturation, we want to pull to around 23 or 29 is good. So it's 79, 29. That is perfect. And now for the highlights, we want to go to that almost orange purple area, because in film, that's really most of the time where the highlights are. So we go to a hue of around 245, and now a saturation, really slight saturation only, of around 27 is good. So it's 339, 27, and as you can see, the wall on the right side got a little pinkish, and that's really what film is doing with your highlights a lot of the time. So we go to the color mix right here, and what we want to do is actually just take care of the sky. So we go to the blue tones here, and we just want to boost up the saturation to +23, and then we just want to boost up the luminance all the way to 75 in this case to make it brighter, and then we're done. Here we go over to the effects tab here, and we just want to dehaze a little bit, so we boost that up to +8 to bring that kind of contrast back in. And now of course we want to add some more grain to make it look even more vintage, so we boost that up to around 23 right here, and then we're done. Now this is it, guys. Here's a little before and after. And Claudio, I really liked your picture in the beginning, but I just think we kind of brought out the characteristic of the image that it already had and just kind of enhanced the overall look, made it look even a little more vintage and a little more filmy. And I hope you're happy with this edit. You guys let me know what you think about this video, and of course I've also created a preset on exactly this look. It's now on my website. The link is under this video. It's in that all presets pack with over 100 presets, so go check that out. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notifications bell to not miss out on any of my future videos, because if you send me your pictures, I will choose some of them and I will edit them for you. That's the Christmas calendar, advent calendar that I'm doing right now. So till the 24th, I will be editing your pictures every day. So make sure to tune in, make sure to send me some pictures. I'm really excited to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I'll see you in the next video tomorrow. Till then, stay creative, stay healthy, peace.